Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here in this question, the equation for radial and tangential acceleration of an airplane in a circular loop is given by r is equals to minus v square upon r, and theta is equals to v by r, where theta is the tangential acceleration and r is the radial acceleration. V is the velocity of the airplane, r is the radius of the curvature of the loop, and theta is the angle of the airplane with respect to the horizontal. Now, in this case, the velocity of airplane is 600 km per hour, which is 166.67 meter per second. So the radial acceleration, which is r, is equals to minus 166.67 square upon 1200, and that is equals to minus 13.33 meter per second square. It is 33.33. And the tangential acceleration, which is represented by theta, is equals to 166.67 upon 1200, and that is equals to 0.14 meter per second square. Now, the radar tracking at O will record the radial acceleration as negative since the airplane is moving towards the center of the loop. The tangential acceleration will be positive since the plane is rotating clockwise. So I hope this answered your question. Thank you.